Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever spent hours designing a perfect layout in Canva and then thought, I wish I could just copy this page to another project, well, good news. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to copy pages from one Canva project to another in just a few clicks. This trick is perfect if you want to save time, reuse designs, or keep your brand consistency across multiple projects. So let's jump right in. First, open the Canva project that contains the page or pages you want to copy. Make sure everything looks good and ready to move. Now, to make this process easier, we'll switch to grid view. You'll find a small grid icon in the bottom right corner of your Canva workspace. Click on it and you'll instantly see all your pages displayed side by side. This grid view makes it super simple to see your entire design and choose exactly which pages you want to copy. Next, it's time to select the pages you want to move. If you're copying just one page, simply click on it. But if you want to copy multiple pages, here's a trick. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then click on each page you want to select. You'll notice a blue highlight around the selected pages. That means they're ready to copy as a group. Once your pages are selected, it's time to copy them. Simply press Ctrl plus C on Windows or Command plus C on Mac. Canva will now save those pages to your clipboard. No exporting or downloading needed. Now, open the project where you want to paste the copy pages. You can do this by opening another Canva tab or selecting the new project from your recent designs. Once it's open, click anywhere on the workspace where you want the new pages to appear. Finally, press Ctrl plus V, Windows, or Command plus V, Mac. Just like that, Canva will paste all your copy pages right into the new project. They'll appear in the same order and with all elements intact, including text, images, and formatting. And that's it. You've successfully copied pages from one Canva project to another, the fastest way to reuse layouts, maintain design consistency, or collaborate with your team without starting from scratch. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, and drop a comment below if you want me to cover more advanced Canva tricks next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.